In this video, I will show you how to disable background data for apps that are draining your Android phone battery without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for your Phone Master. Go ahead and open up your Phone Master. And the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here and then make sure you click on battery optimization. Then here we go. At this point here, scroll down and see all apps that are having access to your battery in the background. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the number of apps right here. For you to stop any background battery user of your any Android phone, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the particular app. So if I'm going to click on this particular app right here, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on battery. Under the battery sections right here, what you want to do is to simply go to restrict. So restrict battery usage while in the background. App may not work as expected, notification may be delayed. So just go ahead and restrict them. Then you can go back. You can restrict as many as possible apps in the background of your Android phone. So simply go back right here and then review any other apps. Like for instance, this particular app right here. Then go ahead and make sure you go to battery and then switch to restricted, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.